Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to fix the application encountered an unrecoverable error. Click OK to create a memory dump Roblox. To start, open Device Manager from Contextual menu of Start. Now on Display Adapter, right-click over Display Driver and select Update Driver. After this, click on Search automatically for drivers. Wait to see if exist any update. When do this, on the search box enter % local app data %, press file folder. Here, open the temp folder, select the Roblox folder and press delete. After, open Setting from the Start menu. Go to Apps section and open Installed Apps. Search for Roblox Player, click on 3 dots and choose Uninstall. Confirm this action. Wait at Roblox it's uninstalled. Open Chrome browser, click on Menu and open Settings. Now go to Privacy and Security, select Third-Party Cookies. Here, open the See All Site Data and Permissions, press on the Recycle bin of Roblox, confirm pressing Delete. Go to the link we leave you in the video description. Open any game, press on the play button. Now you can click on Download and install Roblox. Wait to download the file. After, execute this file and wait at Roblox are installed locally on Windows. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.